Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw this AutoCAD 3D modeling. This is 3D modeling tutorial number 14. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload with AutoCAD knowledge and 3D CAD drawing ideas. Okay, to draw this 3D modeling, we have the sketch. To the sketch here, this is the top view and this is the side view. The section view AA. Okay. So to draw the this is my drawing. I will delete, erase, and then make sure that your workspace here is the 3D modeling. Yeah, okay. To draw this drawing, please check the unit UN decimal, precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay. Okay. I will switch the view here. Is the AutoCAD 2017 version. You will see the other AutoCAD version. You can see the view tab in the tools bar. Switch the 2D wireframe for clearly blue. Okay, and then I will switch the top here. Okay, firstly we need to sketch first, and then the sketch to convert the 3D. Okay, so the radius 18 side gears. So we need to draw first side gear. I will use the command C for the side gear here. Click and specify radius 18. Enter. Zooming. Then you will get radius 18 side gears. And then the two center offset is 22.5. Distance is. So use CP for copy command. Select object. Enter some is outside the clips to the right 22.5. Enter. And then use L for the line key. And then use the quadrant here. If you cannot see the quadrants or something like this, you need to on the object snap cruiser to do reference. Okay, and then you need to click the other geometry command. Okay, the quadrant here. Then make sure the edit on quadrant here to quadrant, and then line again. Click. Okay, and then we don't need to inside this sketch. So TR for the trim command. Enter. Let's trim the unnecessary bytes. Enter. And then erase command. Click to delete the sketch. Okay, so we have the base plate here sketch, and then we need to make thickness 4.4 from the base. Okay, we change the view here to isometric, SC isometrics. As you can see, the SC isometric position. Okay, we need to up 4.4. So we can use push pull command here, press pull command here. Click the highlights and the up. Distance is 4.4. Enter. Okay, so you will get this 4.4 height. Okay, and then we need to draw the next head. So the radius is 7.6. Okay, I'll show you the difference. I use the Union Extrude. I will show you how to use it. See for the side gear, and then show the radius is 7.6. 7.6. Okay, and then 7.6. Then CP for the copy command. Click object is 22.5. Enter. And then line again to connect the quadrant here. enter, and the line, enter again, enter. Then trim command inside. Yeah. Okay. So the head is the total length is 16. So we need to extract 16 minus 4.4 to get this. Okay. So this is the calculator and the built-in function in the AutoCAD. So you can call CAL calculator for the command. Okay. I will already enter. So 16 minus 4.4. You can get from the button or your keyboard as you wish. 11.6. So push pull command here, 11.6 here. So 11.6 here, and then you get the 5 half from the upper surface from the neck, that is 5. So this cycle diameter is radius is 5. So C for the cycle, clicks, and then open. You need to go to this cycle here. You will see here C5. Okay, and then CP command here, clicks 22.5, enter. Okay, and then line again here, split the 2 quadrant. Print command here, split. So you, this is your help. So you need to extract from the sketch. So I will show you this, that this is just a drawing, not a solid face. This is solid face. This also don't have the solid face. So you need to push pull command here to down. The Z rotation is 5. Okay, so you will see the difference here. Check the realistic here. So this push pull command is also extracts the command. Okay, so you need to move here, move command, this object here from the select base point here, click to that cycle here. So this is the sketch, this is the solid. So here. Okay, so you need to hold 6, number of hole is 6, and the diameter is 3.4. So this make from this we have the 2 part. So I need to pull his here, isolated ISO, isolate object here. So you cannot see the isolated object. If you cannot see de-isolated and isolated and ISO isolated objects here, as you can see here. So ISO isolates to clear object. You want to isolate, enter. Okay, you need to hold here. So diameter 3.4, C for the cycle here, D for the diameter 3.4, then the height is 4.4 minus 1 is 3.4. So push pull command here, 3.4, and then the countersunk hole, the bore is 1. So this the upper is 1. Diameter is 7. Okay, C for the cycle, clicks here from the base point here, D for the diameter 7. So in this condition, you cannot use the Presspull. So because this is not the base, this is a 2 part. Okay, this condition, I will choose another way, extrude command. Extrude solid surface from extruding 2D to 3D. Yeah, okay. Extrude here, click the cycle, and height is 1. So you will see. So this is the two part. So you need to union the two parts here. Union solid editing, solid union here. Click two object, and so see the difference. This is the one piece here. Okay. So this setting on the this part. So we need the base cycle here. Radius starting, base cycle. Radius starting. Okay. See for the cycle. Clicks the upper base point here. So you will need the two center point. We choose the lower cycle path. Here. Radius 1, 3. Please careful, cannot mix the other position. CP here to 22.5. Okay. So this is the basis. This is the position of the cycle here. Okay. We make a reposition on the whole. This the cycle based on the cycle. AM for the move command. Sorry. CP for the copy here. The base point here. Choose the quadrant here. Quadrant. Quadrant here. You see the quadrant icon here. Okay, you can check the orbit command here, set the position. Okay, there's no more error. Okay, erase the necessary, erase this join line. Okay, so we mix. So this is the backs, not the extrude here. You can check the realistic here is not the tree. Inside the base plate, there's number of holes inside the base plate. Okay, so you need to extract from the solid, 3 solid to that. Okay, so subtract command here, clips that you need front, wire front, clips, and then select objects. You need to extract object. Yeah, clip, enter. Okay, change a few here. So I will show you again. Control Z. Okay. Sorry. Use subtract command. Use subtract. So you cannot see no more subtract here. So subtract command here. Click wire front object. Which object you need to select the whole object, enter, and then another is 6 holes. Okay, enter. Okay, if and then so I desolated UN ISO RU an isolated object here. Okay, so this is the two part here. So I need to union this object and then also this object, this solid, enter. So this is the one piece. Okay, so the next is the hole, 2 holes from that. Okay, so we need the diameter is 5. Okay, we need the side gate C here, D for the diameter 5. I will choose the outside drawing because this is the confused inside the drawing. The method inside the drawing is confused. So I will show you the outside and then press pull here. Something bigger than the object. I will show you. And then CP, copy, command, enter, click this point to that side here, below the side. Okay, you can check the orbit command clearly the position here. Is this true? Okay, so you extract command, the previous command, subtract, solid subtract the whole object, and you need to select the object you want to extract. Okay, and erase necessary object. Check rest here. Use the orbit here. Okay. Okay. So we have to almost finish the drawing. So you need to first solid add, failure edge, radius 1, radius 1. Okay. For the fillets. Okay, so change to the object here. And so fillet fi, fillet a fillet edge. The fillet for the 2D objects and the fillet edge for the 3D object, solid object. Okay. So read the instruction, select an edge of chain loop radius. So I will use the radius first here. So the radius value is 1, enter, and then select an edge. This edge. Okay. This edge. Edge. Use orbit command here. Edge. Okay. And then here again, here, here. Okay. Enter. Oh, very beautiful. Finally, you get it. Choose the real estate here. Okay. Solid object complete. Isometric here. So you get it, this object. Okay, it's almost complete. Okay. Okay, we have done the 3D drawing. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.